more to show you. Entrez, brave mortel, et visitons ensemble.
Oh, so we're heading through Phantom Manor now. It's all spooky. All this audio. Curtain billowing in the wind. Do you like this ride, Casper?
It's one of my favourites.
Yeah.
I like the music.
It's good, isn't it? Tune, sweet tune. Door.
Warlocks and witches, answer this call. Your presence is wanted at this ghost.
De facétieux revenants ont interrompu notre visite. Veuillez rester bien assis.
Answer this call. Your presence is wanted at this ghostly ball. Des douces coups de minuit aux matines sonnantes, nous valserons ensemble, macabre débutante. Join now the spirits in nuptial doom. A ravishing bride.
Classic use of Pepper's ghost down here. You can see the ghosts down there. Oh, and there's the bride over there. All the ghosts are having a dance. It's good fun, isn't it, dude?
Yeah.
You like it? Phantom Manor. Oh, it's nice seeing all this the ballroom scene. It really is great effects even now. There's the bride. The laughing skull. You didn't used to like him, did you?
Revenants ont interrompu notre visite.
No.
Veuillez rester bien assis.
He's laughing, he finds it funny anyway.
Dans un instant.
Playful spirits have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated.
De facétieux revenants.
This is where we see it really fit in with the Frontierland theming. There's the singing heads. I love these guys. We've got some Christmas baubles of them.
Welcome. All our ghosts have been dying to meet you.
Oh, he's still laughing. Oh, there was the bride! The bride was sat with us.
Will you